Yo, what's up everybody? New week, new video, new Friday night, new racetrack. We got a treat for you guys this week. We're at BURBANK Speedway. It's up here in Ocala National Forest, just south of Fort McCoy. It's a lot of fun, man. It is a lot of fun. It's small, it's banked up. We get to actually race, meaning we're side by side on the start. We usually get a pretty good crowd out here. As far as the Predator karts go, there's always at least 10 plus. We're out here in the country. It's privately owned. Tim, the Zachary's, man, it's a blessing to be out here with these guys, man. They let us come out here and run at their property every other Friday. We got rained out 2 Fridays ago, and I think I've only actually ran here once this season being daylight saving times. Running behind a little bit right now. I got 20 minutes to get the cart unloaded, get the clutch gear changed, the rear gear changed, at least for practice anyways. I like to make a tire change and get the other tires prepped up. It's a non-prep surface, loose dirt, a lot of fun. You guys will see. Once I get the cart set up, I'll take you guys around the track, show you guys what we'll be getting into. As you can see, it is a small, fun track. A little banked up. Good community out here, always a lot of fun, no drama. What's up? We're in the shop, we're getting it done. Alright, so I typically run a Hilliard Extreme Duty Inferno. I've got 2 of them, but tonight I'm gonna try something. Come here early, practice one time, and I had a lot of success with this. Cheap Mac Torxer, small track. It's giving me good throttle response. It's good on the low end, good on restart. So we're gonna give it a shot. Could be today's best secret. We'll see how it goes. If I hate it, I'll take it off and throw the other one back. Forgot to turn my GoPro on, but I got it halfway through. You can see it's maybe one of those. Need a little more gear on it, but should be fun. Definitely gonna not have a problem making weight. Got about 5 pounds of clay on that bad boy. Let's get a gear change, driver's meeting. Go out and make this night quick and fast. I'm drawing low, so hopefully we get up front and just gotta hold it. Figure she'd do for a fresh oil change. I was a hell of a beat up last weekend. try to get these tires cleaned up a little bit. Get what kind of prep I can on them. It's loose out there, so we're gonna run a low durometer tire tonight. As low as I could possibly get anyways. I got a set for it. I have a prep Wednesday night, prep yesterday night, a couple different times. Should be in the 20s. I might punch them after the heat and get them cleaned up properly. We'll see. We're at a limited tonight. We're facing supposedly some rain. I don't see it, but it's there. Somebody said I was off pole. I had to come out here and check it for myself. Looks like we got 7 carts. 7 carts. See if we can hold out front. Car feels good. Made a quick gear adjustment down. Gave it a little more gear. I was hitting that rev limiter. That oil change you've seen. We'll go out and give it up.
Hey, that dang one that's not the speeder is fire out.
I told you.
Oh, you can't say that take the fire out.
I had to turn it off before the fire. All right, guys, what's up? That was fun. I forgot to drive a little bit. Tire prep, not really there, and sliding over the place. A lot of fun. Starting 5th. Made a couple adjustments, like always. Trying to chase it faster. Grooves coming in. I'm used to what this track was last year, but this year, man, it just seems like it's so much faster, and there's much. It came in good. Came in hard. So we'll see how she does.